Well, we got our watermelon. This shows that it's ready. It's sunshine and it's from Honduras. That's interesting. It's wearing sunglasses and all that. Oh my God, the coolest watermelon. Okay, let's do this. I know everybody does it differently, but I'm gonna do it the usual way. It's gonna be messy. Don't expect perfection over here. I'm already messing it up. Can you imagine? Look at that, it's diagonal. Okay, my bad. Let's try again. Wow, going in is harder than it looks. And this sharp knife. Whee! Oh boy, that's gorgeous. I am gonna dice or slice one of these. I'm gonna leave the rind on. I think I should. Should I? Should I not? Okay. The rind helps to hold it, so I'll see what to do with it. I'll try it. Soft and sweet is the word. We got this going in here. I left the rind on for good reason. You need to hold it when you're gonna eat it. Just like that. Beautiful slice. And it goes in here. Bruh. Okie dokie. Everything goes in there. This is the sharpest knife out here. Okay. There we go. Bon appetit. We got our melon diced, sliced, and served. This can move out of the way. And this in here. This can go down like this. We got fruit. And this can go in here. Baba. Ready to be frozen.